Samahan niyo ako today i-replace yung, ayan, yung Hot Toys Scarlet Witch Age of Ultron natin na regular version. We're gonna be replacing her, which is basically just the same, no? Pero this is a special or the special edition. The outfit is different from the version 1 or the regular one. Pero, yun. This is Scarlet Witch Hot Toys Age of Ultron Special Edition. I like the outfit better from this one. Because tignan nyo naman, ang angas niya, di ba? Tara. Basically, museum post lang lagi yung mga posing ko sa mga collectible kong 1/6 figure. Ganyan lang. Museum post lang sila lahat. Para silang statwa dyan. Mas trip ko yung mga ganyan. Alisin muna natin tong McDo na Happy Meal. So basically, kailangan na nating alisin to. They are just the same, pero mas dark to, mas goth yung itsura niya. Kita niyo yung difference. Lagyan na natin siya sa cabinet. Cabinet worthy. Ayun. Dahil nandiyan na siya sa cabinet, kita nyo? Elizabeth Olsen na Scarlet Witch. Pakaangas, diba? So yun lang. And see you again on my next video.